subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs.
Welcome to my friends at TV. Keep at your premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumo Gallants 0. I'm joined by Withdraw Football.
SA.
I like how you finish it.
Ow, Panagit. I like how you start it.
Thank you, Papa.
No, Sundowns
Sure.
is not a team that keeps on coming and never arrive.
Yes, Papa.
So Sundowns, they are coming.
Yes.
They are not there yet.
Yeah.
But you can see even today, especially during the second half,
Yeah.
you could see that Sundowns is here.
Sure.
What is very important is that Mkwena is not there. But look at what Opas is doing. Brilliant.
Yeah.
The defense of today, they were under pressure from Marumo. Marumo played very, very well.
Sure.
Utladisa,
Yeah.
when they moved this guy, the former Orlando Pirates, Undlondlo, Ndaba Ithethu.
Yes.
Undlondlo, bathi ungayithivu.
Yes.
When he moved to the midfield,
Yes.
he started making those crucial touches going forward, which made it very difficult for Sundowns, but they managed to contain them.
Yeah.
So it was very good. Something that was very good as well is that Sundowns didn't concede today
Sure.
because they've been leaking a lot of goals. So today they didn't concede.
Yeah.
So that is a step forward.
Yes.
Also very important. Abona ubaba wakhona
Ubani?
Uzwane
Umshishi. Jersey number 8.
Mshishi.
Jersey number 8.
Lalela umsando kukhona into ekuthiwa ngesiZulu ifana msindo angazi ngesisuthu kuthiwani
Explain.
ifana msindo
Explain.
mshishi squishy that she what do you call it in Sesotho tshwana
Yes.
yeah iraitshwana
Yeah.
yona yeo so ene le bohlokwa hampi yabona di-touch tsa bona ha batla le yona
Sure.
itshwana le talent but not mbatha ha re ba tsene ntwana butsa wena o kentsha motho go interview so itshwana straight that combination or combo is very important and beautiful so Marumo Gallants didn't play badly.
Yes.
Ayidlalanga kabi Marumo Gallants mfowethu idlale kahle kakhulu kodwa iSundowns ikwazi ukuthola amathuba iwasebenzise. Khona lo mfana kade eshaye iWorld Tour.
Ubani?
uCassius Mayilula.
Yes.
Ubeshaye iWorld Tour kanti ubejima noma beyothwala ngazi. Ubuyile manje imidlalo emithathu ushaya amagoli awu4. Leyo nto leyo into engajwayelekile angazi ngokwama percent ingakanani kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi la kwe90 kuya phezulu.
Yeah.
Uphasa ngo-distinction yebo uBasadini uzobuya uyangena kuphela ubanga iskimu nomuntu orong uyidibadiba ngisho isadlala kuSuperSport ngithi ama-team amakhulu awumthathi ngani lo mfana yamthatha iSundowns usedlala iminyaka usewina inqwaba yamaligi sithemba ukuthi ukulimala kukaMdawu akukubi kangako ngoba akadingwa iSundowns kuphela udingwa abantu ababuka ibhola ngoba udlala ibhola elihle ephinde edingwe yiyo iSundowns ephinde edingwe isizwe uma ubuke umdaka udlala awazi noma ubukela imidfielder noma ubukelani kodwa ke ngenhlanhla iSundowns ebhenchini nomunye umdlalo wezwe futhi okuuzuko Mdunyelo iSundowns siyayibonga amathikithi akhona angazi wena mina awami amathikithi ngikwazile ukuthenga amathikithi awu5 ngo250 rand
5 thayiliwa
yeah kwasala u50 rand ku300 ngathenga amaqanda ekhaya badla
sure time
yeah siyabonga kuSundowns lokho kuhle kakhulu
njalo
ngale kwalokho bafowethu talent but not mbatha Nyembe and the team I still love you but I'm not sure
me too